So I had to pretty much dismantle the whole freaking front end just so I can get this new differential in there. So now it's just a process of putting it all back together. There's only one screw that holds the two halves together, so that's not too bad once you get that out. I had to undo the shocks completely because these two screws go into this housing. 3 screws up front so I can get the whole shock tower and everything, bumper off. So yeah, now it's just reassembly. So the differential just sits in there. It's almost floating inside. And like I said, it's just that one screw right there that holds the two halves together. So here's where I'm at. Got the bumper and body mount back on. It just simply slides in after you put the aluminum plate back in place. So here's one of the shock rocker arms. Got it off. And the bearings are a little bit rusty, but they still move. They didn't seize, which is a good thing. So there's no wear on the shaft that these fit onto. So I'm just gonna try and pry that bearing out of there. Just got them out. I'm just gonna put a very light coating of grease on here just to prevent the outside from rusting up. And that'll be ready for reinstallation now. These Traxxas CV joints, they come apart pretty easily. You'll see inside here there is a little grub screw. That's all that holds that unit together. So once you take that little grub screw out, there you go. Grub screw is out. Just push the pin through and it comes apart. So easy enough. Don't know if you can see it, but this pin is severely worn. This is from the CV joints. And yeah, so I cut my own and I put a little flat spot for the grub screw to grab. So we'll swap those all out. And these wouldn't fit in the new ones, in the new plastic housings, the new shafts. There was a little lip I had to grind off each corner here where it's worn. So I just used a Dremel, gave it a little tickle, got that off. Now they fit nice.